Good afternoon to all of us. At this time, let me thank you for the willingness of Mr. Humasak Simanjuntak and Mrs. Permanangan Togatorop as our examiner, and especially to Mrs. Junit Amalia as our supervisor, so we can conduct this final project proposal seminar. The following is an overview that our group will describe in this presentation. The first is final project topic. Our final project topic is fake news detection using bidirectional LSTM recurrent neural network. We choose this topic from the future work of our reference paper by Sang Hong Kau et al. They suggest in their conclusion and future work to combine RNN and LSTM method. So we decide to use bidirectional as RNN combined with LSTM method. Next, I will explain about the research background. But before I explain about the research background, I will explain about the fake news first. Fake news is untrue information presented as news, and it often has the aim of damaging the reputation of a person, a people, or entity, and make money through the advertising revenue. Relative to the previous explanation, the rapid development of internet has led the rapid dissemination of information through the social networks or a website, including the spread of fake news. So everyone is free to disseminate information through online media, and from online media, any content free to distribute without going any checks. So the credibility of information is ignored. Based of the problem that I explained before, our research purpose is to prevent the spread of fake news by develop the model using bidirectional LSTM recurrent neural network to identify information both in the form of news or content as early as possible before the content or the news becomes viral.
Research data source. The data source in this research came from Kaggle, where its data contained in Kaggle was selected based on it. To get the appropriate dataset, the contents of dataset must be titled and news contents. The news dataset is divided into two, namely a dataset containing real news and dataset containing fake news. The dataset used for research is news dataset in English. Dataset criteria. The dataset format used is the CSV file. The field and the required dataset, namely the title and content of the news. The dataset obtained is taken from the last 3 years. Research methods. To develop a model that functions to identify information as early as possible to detect fake news, we use bidirectional LSTM. Bidirectional LSTM is a combination of variation of recurrent neural networks, namely bidirectional and long-term memory recurrent neural networks. Bidirectional LSTM takes advantage of the previous context and the context upgrade by processing information from two directions with separate hidden layer, forward layer and backward layer. Bidirectional recurrent neural networks are really just putting two independent recurrent neural networks together. The structures allow the networks to have both backward and forward information about the sequence at every time that using bidirectional we run inputs in two ways. One from past to the future and one from future to past.
The next is the final result of the research. So from the previous explanation, we built a model to detect a fake news with bidirectional LSTM method to achieve two goals. The first is to find out the work process of using the bidirectional LSTM method in identifying fake news. And the second is to measure the accuracy and recall of using the bidirectional LSTM method in detecting fake news. And the final result of the research is conclude in 3 phases. The first phase is fake and real news data will be collected from the data source, namely Kaggle. And then the second phase is the data will be processed using data mining tasks such as data preprocessing, data source analysis, and architectural design, so that the implementation can be carried out. And the final result is that we will get a model that can classify news whether it belongs to the fake news class or the real news class. The next is research utility, and from the final research that we conduct, the utility is we can create a model that can be classify news whether it belongs to fake news or to real news. That is about our presentation for our final research. For your time and attention, we say thank you.